Would you go swimming with sharks that can measure over 60 feet long? Although these are the largest sharks in the world, very rarely do they ever show aggression towards humans. Being this close must be wild. Just imagine a tail fin bigger than you are. Subscribe today for free.